Hi, once again welcome to English ESL Way with Mithika, and in this lesson we'll talk about kitchen items like forks, spoons, cups. Because forks, spoons, cups are the words with the plural ending S. And in this lesson I would like you to help pronounce the plural ending of regular nouns. A plural noun can refer to more than one. For example, one pen, many pens. Most plural nouns use the ending S. For example, alphabets, pegs, and chalks. Now the question is, the ending S is pronounced S? Not always. The plural ending S can be pronounced two ways. One is the sibilant S and the other is Z. We say S after the voiceless consonant F, K, P, T and Th. For example, cups, forks. Both the words cups and forks end with the voiceless consonant P, K. So therefore, the plural ending S will take the true S sound and sound like S. The plural ending S has the second pronunciation. We say Z after the voiced consonant B, D, G, L, M, N, R, U, and so on. For example, in the words pens and pegs. The word pen ends with N, which is a final voiced consonant. So we say pens. And in the word peg, G is also a final voiced consonant. And if you add an S, we get pegs. At this moment, you might ask, how can I remember which consonants are voiced and which consonants are voiceless? Try this tip. Place your hand on your throat. If the consonant is voiced, you will feel vibration. And if the consonant is voiceless, you will feel no vibration. For example, with the word chalk, and if you add a plural ending S, should we pronounce it as S or Z? Let's try it. Place your hand and say K, K. Do you feel any vibration? No. So K is a voiceless consonant, and we say the plural ending S as true as S. Chalks, chalks. Let's try with another noun, spoon. Add an S. Now should we say this plural ending S as S or Z? Let's try it out. Put your hand here and say spoon. Do you feel the vibration at N? Yes. So it's a voiced consonant. So we say spoons. Alright. Now we will first pronounce the plural ending of verbs and then we'll move on to the nouns. So our first verb is run. Okay, which sound is the final sound? Is it a voice sound or a voiceless sound? Place your hand. Try it again. Do you feel any vibration? I felt. So it is a voiced consonant. So whenever we have a voiced consonant as a final sound, and we add an S, we say it Z. So it'll be runs. It'll be runs. Then we have sit. How do we say it? Check out whether it is a voiceless or a voiced consonant. I did not feel any vibration. So sits. Then we have wag, wags. Tell, tells. Hop, hops. Now move on to the nouns. First we have cat. T, t. No vibration. Cats. Dog. Dogs. Pug. Pugs. Pin. Pins. Bed. Bed. Beds. Beds. Now let's read some sentences. Jill runs. Jill runs. Sam hops. Sam hops. gus, gus, wins, wins, gus, wins. Ed, ed, sits, ed sits. One more time. Jill runs, Sam hops, Gus wins, Ed sits. That's all for today. Happy studies. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe. And if you have not hit the bell icon, please do hit that also, because you will not get the notifications otherwise. Bye bye.